watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining the circles Eamcet problems, and this is the video number 5. And the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming Eamcet examination. And in the description, I am giving the link of the practice problems of the circles chapter PDF. So all of you, after watching the video, once open the description and see the PDF and solve those questions also. Those are also very important problems. Let us start the class. This is sum number 31. The problem is, if the angle between the tangents to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 at the points a comma b is 60 degrees, then AB is equal to, then what is AB length? That is a given question. So given that the angle between the tangents to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. Okay, this is the given circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. If the angle between the tangents to the circle at the points a comma b, these are the tangents at the points a comma b. Now angle is equal to 60 degrees, then what is AB length? This is the given question. So what is given? Angle between the tangents is equal to 60 degrees. What is the formula for finding the angle between the tangents? Tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. Okay. Now suppose I take that this point is equal to x1 y1 here. Okay. Now what is given? Theta is equal to 60. Tan 60 by 2, that is tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to x square plus y square is equal to r square. That is r square is equal to 4, then radius is equal to 2. 2 by square root of root s11. S11 is equal to, substituting this point in the circle equation, then what we get? X1 square plus y1 square minus 4. Okay. Now what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 2 by square root of x1 square plus y1 square minus 4. Now taking the cross product and squaring on both sides, then we get the value x1 square plus y1 square minus 4 is equal to 12. Understand? Just doing that squaring on both sides and taking the cross product, which implies the value of the x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 16. Okay. Now what is the given question? What is length of AB? What is AB here? This is nothing but the chord of the contact. This is chord equation. What is the length of the chord formula? 2 root r square minus d square. The length of the chord is equal to 2 root r square minus d square. Okay, listen. AB is equal to 2 root r square minus d square. What is r value? R is equal to 2. And what is d value? Perpendicular distance from center to the line here. The perpendicular distance from center to the line. So center is equal to 0, 0. What is line equation? Xx1 plus yy1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Here the line equation is xx1 plus yy1 minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the line equation. Now replacing the values here, 2 into square root of r is equal to 2, r square is equal to 4 minus perpendicular distance from horizon to this line, that is mod c by square root of a square plus b square. That is mod c by means 4 by square root of x1 square plus y1 square, but that value is equal to 16. So the answer is 2 into square root of 4 minus 1, that is equal to 2 root 3. Okay. So here length of the chord is nothing but the length of the chord of contact. So first finding the chord of contact equation. What is chord of contact equation? S1 is equal to 0. Already given that angle between the tangents is equal to 60. That is tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. Okay. From that equation here we have to take the value of the x1 square plus y1 square and replacing that value here to get the length of the chord. That's all. And answer is equal to 2 root 3, and that is the last option. Next problem, sum number 32. If the tangents from g comma f to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 are perpendicular, then what is the value of the g square plus f square? We want this value. What is the given condition? The tangents from g comma f to the given circle are perpendicular to each other. The tangents from g comma f to the circle, that is given that these two lines are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means angle is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now what is the formula for finding the angle between the tangents? Already we used this formula in the last problem also. Tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. That is, but given that theta is equal to 90 here, tan 90 by 2, tan 45 is equals to 1. So 1 is equal to r by root s11. that is r is equal to square root of s11. Okay, what is r value? Radius to this circle, that is square root of g square plus f square minus c is equals to square root of s11. S11 means substituting this point in this equation. Okay, that is g square plus 2g square, 3g square plus f square plus 2f square, y is equals to f, 3f square plus c. Okay, that is replacing the point g comma f in the above circle equation. Now squaring on both sides, then we get the equation g square plus f square minus c is equal to 3g square plus 3f square plus c, that is 3g square minus g square, 2g square plus 3g square minus f square, 2f square c plus c, 2c is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is g square plus f square plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of the g square plus f square is equal to minus c. That's all. And that is the third option. Okay. Next problem, sum number 33. If the tangent at 1 comma minus 2 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 5 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 20 is equal to 0 at the point P, then Py is equal to. Okay, listen. One circle is given here. This is the first circle. Equation is x square plus y square is equal to 5. Now the tangent to this circle at the point 1 comma minus 2. Okay, this is the tangent to the circle at this point 1 comma minus 2. Now this tangent again touches the circle, second circle. What is the circle equation? X square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 20 is equal to 0. That is, the tangent of the first circle touches the second circle. That is the given condition, and touches the circle at the point P. Then what is Py? Suppose here P is equal to x comma y, then Py means we want the y coordinate. Okay, here we want the y coordinate. That is the given question. So simply we want this point. What is this? This is nothing but the foot of the perpendicular from the center to this line. Okay, this is nothing but the foot of the perpendicular. So first, what is the equation of this line? This is the tangent to the first circle. Then what is the equation? Tangent equation, s1 is equal to 0. What is s1 notation to this circle? X into x1. X1 plus y1 minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the tangent equation. Okay. Now what is x1, y1? 1 comma minus 2. Therefore the equation of this line is x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. The equation of the line is x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. And what is the center to this circle? 4 comma minus 3, minus 3 minus f. Now what we want? P want. What is P? Foot of the perpendicular. That is, we take the foot of the perpendicular formula. What is the formula? H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay, this is the foot of the perpendicular formula. We want the foot of the perpendicular here. What are ABC? What is this line? X minus 2y minus y. That is, what are ABC? 1 minus 2 minus 5. What is x1, y1? This is center. That is 4 comma minus 3. Now replacing the values. H minus 4 by 1. Okay, x1 is equal to 4, a is equal to 1 is equals to k minus 3. K plus 3 by b is equal to minus 2 is equals to minus of ax1, that is 4 plus 6 minus 5 by a square plus b square is equal to 1 plus 4, and that is equals to 5. Okay, now this is equals to h minus 4 is equal to k plus 3 by minus 2 is equal to, what is this value? 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, minus 5 by 5 is equal to minus 1. Now what we want? We want the only of y coordinate, that is just equating these two values. Then the value of k is equal to 2 minus 3, and that is equal to minus 1. Therefore Py is equal to minus 1, and that is the third option. Okay. Here the question is, the tangent to the first circle touches the second circle. That is, first taking the tangent to the first circle. After that, finding the point of contact. Here the question is, we have to find the point of contact, y coordinate in the point of contact. So here point of contact is nothing but the foot of the perpendicular. That's all. Next problem, sum number 34. The question is the point at which the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 13 is perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y plus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, listen. The point at which the tangent to the given circle. Suppose this is the given circle and this is the tangent to the given circle. The point at which the tangent to the given circle is perpendicular to some line. Okay, here some line is given and the equation of this line is 2x plus 3y plus 21 is equal to 0. The given data, the tangent is perpendicular to this one, then what is P point? Suppose I take that here P is equal to x1 y1. Okay, this is the point of contact. Now what is the equation of the tangent at this point of contact? Equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. That is x1 plus 5y1 minus 13 is equal to 0. What is the given data? These two lines are perpendicular. What is the condition for perpendicular lines A1, A2 plus B1, B2 is equal to 0. Okay. Condition for perpendicular lines is A1, A2 plus B1, B2 is equal to 0. Now replacing the values, 2 into x1, that is 2x1 plus 3 into y1. 3y1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now just checking the options here. What is the first option? 2, 3. That is 4 plus 9 which is not equal to 0. So this is not the correct option. Now taking the second option, 2, minus 3. 4 minus 9 which is not equals to 0. This is not the correct option. Now taking the third option, 3 minus 2. Now replace the values, then we get 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, this is the correct answer. Of course, here last option is also not satisfied. This is 6 plus 6 which is not equals to 0. So answer is the third option, that is 3, minus 2. Okay, that's all. Next problem, sum number 35. The tangents from any point on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square to the circle x square plus y square is equal to b square are perpendicular, then what is the condition? Okay, listen. So here two circles are given and here these two circles are the concentric circles. That is, both of the circles have the same center. Okay, center is equal to 0, 0, center is equal to 0. So this is the center and this is the first circle equation, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square. And this is the second circle equation, which is x square plus y square is equal to b square. Okay. What is the given data? If the tangents from any point on the first circle to the second circle are drawn. So here we are taking the tangents from the point on the first circle to the second circle. We are drawing the tangents from this point to the second circle. Now the tangents are perpendicular. Given that these two lines are perpendicular, then what is the condition? Okay, clearly here given that theta is equal to 90 degrees. Now what is the angle between the tangents formula? Tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11. Okay, but given that theta is equal to 90 means tan 90 by 2 is equal to tan 45, that is equals to 1. Now taking the cross product, then we get that r is equal to root s11. Okay. Now what is r value? R means your radius of the second circle, means we take that is equals to b. Okay. Root s11, that is substituting this point in the circle equation, that is x1 square plus y1 square minus b square. We are taking the tangents to the second circle, means here we replace the point in the second circle. Okay. But what is x1, y1? This is the point on the first circle. That is, replacing this point in this equation, then what we get? x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square. Okay. Since this is the point on the circle, x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square. That is, here the answer is b is equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square. So a square minus b square. Now squaring on both sides, then we get b square is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore the answer is 2 into b square is equal to a square. That's all. And that is the last option. That's all.